Welcome to this unit on how to prototype and test online and social green business idea through social media. You have already learned how to generate, test, and evaluate business ideas. Now we will focus on how to do it through social media. You'll learn how to create social media mockup and how to test your business idea through Facebook. Let's see how to do that. Presenting effectively your business idea on social media is essential. You're not a designer or have no budget for creating content that your audience like? No problem. You just need one of these mockup generator to create your social media content. A social media mockup generator. Basically, it's a web-based application that will help you create quality content for your social media without the need of hiring professional designer or paying for that pricey software. You can also use these mockup to pitch your marketing ideas. Media Modifier. You can use Media Modifier to quickly create professional-looking mockup for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitch, and TikTok. Smart Mockups. Smart Mockups is another tool that you can use to create social media mockups. Offer great quality template. Mockuper. Mockuper is not a social mockup generator, but rather a device mockup that lets you see how your social media content look like in real-life environment. Now, let's see how these platforms can also help you test your business without having to spend money on it. You can use them to quickly gain feedback from a large sample of people. The easiest way to do that is to create a Facebook poll. Here are some steps to do it. Log into your account and navigate to your newsfeed. Click Groups in the left-hand column. Select the group you wish to poll or click Create Group to make a new group. Click where the red text say Write Something and then click Poll from the tab that drops down. Write your content where the post reads Ask Something, then enter the various choices, questions, product options, etc. in the space below. Click Poll Options if you wish to allow people to add new choices or to vote on multiple choices. Click Post to launch your poll. In this unit, you've learned what platform to use to create mockup of the content that you will post on your social media to promote your business idea. Don't forget to use the mockup generator that better fits your needs. This will multiply your chance to reach your customer. You've also learned that social media can offer you a great opportunity to test your product without spending money. Use Facebook poll for it. Congrats! You have now reached the end of this module about social media and social green business. To go forward and learn more about how to further develop your business idea, please consult the Solution Not Pollution resources on the project website.